I know you're probably thinking, wow, sis, okay, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling this floral print. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, just Isabella. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe down below. If you've been here for a while, thank you for sticking around, thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate you guys. Oh my god guys, it's been a minute. I haven't filmed a whole video in a long time. I've been doing other things on this channel. I've been doing my live streams, which I really enjoy. Try on hauls are my first love. So I'm back here again with a Boohoo Try On haul, okay? Today's haul is from Boohoo, yes guys. So let's just get into this video. Make sure you're subscribed, okay? This is the first outfit. This is definitely giving me holiday vibes. I actually got this so I can keep it for my next holiday. This is just amazing, okay? It's giving me holiday vibes. I like the fact that it's not too tight, It's like, sometimes you want to leave a little to the imagination, okay? It's not everyday tight dress, everyday showing everything out like that. So I love it, Hey, mamacita. I think this is cute. What do you guys think? What would you rate this out of a 10? I'm definitely loving it, okay? Look at that. Perfection. What do you guys think? Like, I'm in love. I'm obsessed with this. I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I love the fact that it's not too tight. You can definitely adjust this as you guys can see. So, what do you think? I love it. Back for you. I'm feeling myself. I'm definitely feeling myself, okay? So this is popping. There's not two ways about that. I know I'm popping. I know. Just admit it. Am I not? This is beautiful. Okay, guys. So let's get into outfit number 2. Guys, how beautiful is this? Okay, I know it's not, summertime, but I didn't want this to run out, so I definitely had to get me this bikini. Okay, I didn't want it to run out. Look at this. Back view quickly. I think this is really beautiful. I love it. Oh my god. Wow. Costa Rica, here I come, okay? Look at this perfection. I feel like Beyonce. To the left, to the left. Everything, in the back, to the left. In the closet. That's my style. Wow, guys. I am obsessed, okay? No words for this. Like, this is perfection. I didn't want it to run out, so I had to get me this. Okay? What do you guys think? And this is in a size 12, okay? This is in a size 12. Beautiful. Don't mind me. I just like to play too much, especially when I'm feeling myself like this. Ooh, this is on fire. Bikini, yes, another bikini. Sis is feeling these bikinis. Oh my god. I could live in a bikini 24 hours. Like, wow. Look at this color. Like, this is amazing. This is really beautiful. I love it. Okay, this again is in a size 12. I love the pattern, and this is really stretchy. I would just say go with your regular size. This is gorgeous, man. Fancy X Savage. Rihanna, are you hiring? I know this is a Boohoo haul, but I'm tempted to now do a Fancy X Savage, bikini haul. What do you guys think? Tell me, should I do one? Wow. Rihanna, are you hiring? Because I can see myself in Fancy X Savage right now. Whoa. Wow. I love this. This is gorge. Like I said, sis is feeling these angles. Oh, imagine me in a photo shoot. Fancy X Savage. By the way, guys, if I'm being a bit too extra, I just didn't know how I missed doing these hauls until I start filming. I'm like, oh my god, I miss doing my hauls. But I'm just so excited to be back. Fenty, are you hiring? I want to see myself in a fancy bikini. Ooh. Lovely, guys. Guys, rate this for me, okay? rate this. I want to see all your comments, okay? But I'm in love. Look at this. Wow, I love this. I love the top. I love the animal print. Like, I have an animal print obsession, okay? So this is just my animal print obsession coming to life again. I love this. Oh my god. This is so cute. Paired with this black skirt, I just feel like it makes the outfit pop a lot more. This is so me, guys, and I love this shoulder. I love the puffy shoulders too. I have loads of tops like this. Okay, so this is in a size 12 and that is in a size 12 also. But if you want to be more comfortable, you could go a size up. But I will say stick to your normal regular size. Because boohoo sizes, they're true to size. That I can confirm. Boohoo is very they are true to size. Okay, so just stick with your normal boohoo size. If you're like a UK 12, get a UK 12. If you're UK 10, get a UK 10. But I love this. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. Okay. I'm in love with myself. Again, angles. Okay. Like I always say, I am your model. Okay. Welcome to the Bella, just Isabella runway show. Okay. Angles. Okay, so I just saw this 3-in-1 and immediately I was drawn to it. I was in love. I'm like, I need to get this. There's no two ways about it. I love this. I love the fact that it's 3-in-1. You know, winter's coming now. It's gonna be a bit cold, so this will help me keep warm. But at the same time, it's kind of sexy for the house. I love the button detailing on this. How sexy is this? Like, I love it. You know. If you're wearing this for your man, best believe it's going down. But yeah, I do love it. I think it's cute. It's just sexy for the house. Like, I got this for when I'm in the house and I feel like lounging, whatever. It's just a bit cold and I just want to look nice but not overly dressed. Like, this is that one. Okay. I got this in a medium, so this comes in a medium, small, medium and large, and I got this in a size medium. And I think a medium is like 12 to 14. Size 12 to 14 is a medium in Boohoo. So if you're between those sizes, get you this. But I could have gone down a size though, because I see how this is very stretchy. I could have gone down a size. I could have gone with a small and it would still work, but I just want it to be comfortable. That's why I went with a medium, and here we are. Okay, boom. Angles. Okay, mama. Listen, I love living by myself. I enjoy being by myself. I like my space. But there comes a time when living by yourself is just not okay. Look, right now, I can actually do with somebody tying this up for me, okay? But I can't do it by myself because this is so tight. I can't lift up my hands, okay? This is a lovely dress, you know, I got this in my regular size. I know I said Boohoo's true to size, but this is not working, okay? This is not working. Look, this is too tight, and I can't even tie this up to show you guys what it looks like because I'm by myself. But I love the dress, okay? I think it's a beautiful dress. Will I get this? Yes, in a bigger size, of course. It's just beautiful, okay? It's just beautiful. Look, this, see how it runs? It's just nice. It's just too short. I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'8", if you didn't know. So this is not just working how I want it. Probably if I'd gone a size up, it would have. But this I'm gonna have to return, okay? Look at the back. It's just not working. It's not working. Your girl tried, but it's not working. I'm sorry. You're gonna go back. Okay, but other than that, that is the only problem I have with this. This is just too tight, and I want to be able to lift up my hands, and I can't do that. I really can't do that. Why? But I love the dress. I love, again, I love the print. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. I love the style and everything. But go up, size up. If you're getting this, do go size up, okay? I wish I could tie this though, but I can't. Oh my god, am I gonna cry? No. Yeah, so let's see angles. Boom. So I got this white dress. I think this is like the perfect wedding guest dress, or even like a date night kind of situation. This will definitely come through for you. I love the ruching in the back. Again, I'm sorry guys, I couldn't do the zip all the way up because like I said, I'm by myself, so please forgive me. I wish I could do the zip all the way up so you guys can see what it actually looks like, but I can guarantee it's a very beautiful dress. I just like, you know, the detailing over here. I feel like that is what makes this dress really pop. Okay, I love the color. Again, white is one of my favorite colors. I just love the ruching. If you have a tummy, it covers all your sins around this area. So yeah, and I love the ruching in the back also because it makes your booty just like, makes your bum pop. Okay, makes it look like you have this juicy bum, which I love. Okay, so that's this one. I love it. I think it's a nice dress. You know, I will wear this to an occasion. Like, if not for COVID, COVID is a bastard. You know, but we're not gonna go there right now. I've said enough about COVID. You know, but this dress, I think I'm gonna have to keep it because I just like how it looks on me. I think it's beautiful. What do you guys think? If you're gonna get this, do get it in your regular size. I got this in a 12 and it would have fitted me perfectly. Just that I can't find somebody to do it up, which is okay. Because I do want to struggle with the zip to break it because I don't want to return it. But yeah, oh wow, I think it's cute. Final outfit. I love this. Okay, the only problem is it's too transparent. Okay, this is just way too transparent. The material isn't great. I'm not gonna lie. I love the style, but I don't love the material. I don't like it's not very good quality. But anyway, you get what you pay for. This was like one of the cheapest ones I got today, so I guess I got what I paid for. But I love the style. If you don't mind it, you can definitely get you this. It's cute, but it's just not something that I will wear just because it's too transparent and it just doesn't feel. It feels cheap. I'm not gonna lie, it feels cheap. But if you don't mind that, you can definitely get it for the style. This also is in a size 12. It's a shame because it looks good. Okay, it looks good. It's just the quality of it that I have a problem with. If not for that, I would have kept it. But yeah, we're still gonna work it regardless. But if you don't mind the quality, by all means necessary, get you this outfit. I love the style. It's just a shame that it's just too. I don't know, when something just doesn't feel. You know, it just feels very light, and I don't like that. So yeah, this is my honest review on these clothes that I got today. If you enjoyed this haul, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed the haul, subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell because I'm gonna be having a lot more haul videos coming very soon, and also check out my live stream videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you. If you have any video recommendations, leave them in the comment section and I will definitely have a look and do them for you guys. And take care of each other, stay safe. Corona's still out there, you know. Bye, choose, au revoir guys. Bye bye, love you all.